Hello and welcome to another episode of Strict Bakes. Today we're going to make a pizza. We're going to start with pouring water in. This is my first mistake. I should not have put the water in first because I put a whole cup instead of a half. So, if you're watching, it's just kind of liquidy. So what we do is we open another pack, we throw in another pack, and then just double up on the oil. And then you just stir till it's like pizza dough. You want to get it till it's like dough consistency, kind of like stickiness, or let it be sticky. Sticky dough, that's what it needs to be. Then wrap some plastic wrap over it for 5 minutes and let it sit. Then after 5 minutes, open it. I don't know why we did that for 5 minutes. We just open it, take the dough out, throw it on the counter with some flour. Just kind of squish it around because it's fun. Throw it on a pan. Cut it in half because there's 2 pans. We're making 2 of these. I don't know if this is equal. And also, cutting dough with a knife was not easy. Took a little more work than I thought. Then what you're going to not do is roll it with a glass because the glass just sticks to and it's an awful mistake. And then try to stretch out the dough. I forgot about the stupid sheet. So now that we have the sheet, let's spread out here and smack it because we're letting out that frustration. And now we just spread it till our heart is content. What a lovely little circle this is. Little indeed. What you're going to want to do now is throw that into the oven for 5 minutes. And while that's cooking for 5 minutes, we work on the other one. And we do the same process. We just keep stretching and stretch until we get kind of like a square. No, that's a little mistake there. Should have been a circle. Well, now we just wash the counter off because it's kind of messy, and I thought I left this part in just to prove that I am not a total slob. Sometimes. Now we got our condiments and all of our things out. You see the pepperonis? It's original. And we're just going to put the tomato sauce on it. Ugh. Looks like a face. So I put some more because it wasn't enough. Took a spoon and I spread it around like that, try to get it kind of even. I put a lot of cheese on it. Like an alcoholic, but cheese, like a cheeseaholic. And that was for someone else to put the pepperonis on. They wanted to customize it. We don't see much of that later. Here's for mine now. I start again with just rubbing the sauce around. I got saucy with it. Once again, more cheese. This is how I felt making this pizza. I put more pepperonis because why not? And cooked it. There it is. Bring it back. Here it is cooked. It's a pizza. It looks like a pizza. I guess it looks like a horrible pizza. I cut it into the worst possible shape yet. It still looks like a roadkill right there. Well, it tastes like a pizza at the end.